out there? Well, right now I'm playing with my new electronic measuring tape. It has a laser, and right now I'm pointing it at a box. And I measured it earlier, and we're right at 5 feet, and that's what it says here. I'll go with this. I'm moving it some spot farther down the room, 11 feet. So it goes with what you're pointing at. I'm going to move it to something right here next to me. It's 1.9 feet, and you can change around the scale on this if you want. And at the same time, right there, it is telling you if it's level or not. So let me get this thing, hold it straight up and down. As you can see, I'm not quite set on level myself right now. There we go. Okay, so you have that. Then, right here, you also have your tape measure. So as you pull it out, it reads. So this thing is like really cool. I did a lot of carpentry work with my father in the 60s and 70s. I'm nothing great, but I'll tell you what, we did a lot of measuring. I did. This thing here is fantastic because the old motto is measure twice, cut once. Well, with this, you can measure twice, but you're going to have the right measurement the first time. There are a lot of different settings in here. It's rechargeable, and again, it comes with its own carrying bag, which is real nice. And this is a true USB-C to USB-C charging cable, which means it will charge up faster. So it's a very nice, solid filling unit. And there's nothing cheap filling about this at all. The measurements are just quick and easy. There's a bit to learn about this because you can do some various things with this. So I'll leave that for you to find more. I just need to learn and wanted to get some quick measurements. And this is your on and off button also. You hold it. There she goes. Very nice, very nice. If you need to do some measuring, you want to get your level, there you are.